Hi, Braze users. I'm Jessica, and welcome back to another Braze Bites video. Have you ever sent out an email campaign but forgot to test it first and it failed? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking down how internal groups and Braze can help you prevent issues before your audience ever sees them. These built in test tools make your QA process easier and more reliable. Braze offers three types of internal groups: content test groups, seed groups, and user events. If you find this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what Braze topic you want us to cover next. Let's jump into the Braze dashboard. Inside your settings, navigate to internal groups, and here you'll see all three test groups. Let's start with content test group, and I'll name this group marketing test and add myself. These groups make it easy to preview messages across channels like email, push, SMS, in-app, and content cards without sending to each user individually. If you check the box labeled automatically populate group as test send, this group will be selected by default every time you run a test. This is great for consistent test users, but heads up, if your stakeholders change from campaign to campaign, leave this box unchecked to avoid flooding the wrong inboxes. Now let's use our test group and a campaign. So think of content test groups as your go-to list for internal previews. No need to add test users manually every single time. Just select your group and you're good to go. Now, if your messages include liquid personalization, Braze will apply the correct user data for each test recipient across all campaigns. And to avoid mixing up test emails with live ones, head to your email preferences and enable the test and seed email subject line. This means Braze will automatically add test and seed to the subject line like this one. It's not required, but it's super helpful for staying organized, especially when you're running multiple test campaigns at once. Next up, seed groups, your safety net for email QA. Seed groups ensure every variant of your email gets delivered to your selected team members without affecting your campaign metrics or user profiles. You can also automatically attach the group to email campaigns and canvases. It's ideal for confirming that your email hit the inbox just the way you planned it. Just a note, if your campaign has multiple variants or canvas steps, each version sends to every seed group member. So be prepared for a busy inbox, but it's worth it to catch issues early. Finally, let's talk about user events, perfect for developers. Once you assign users to this group, Braze logs all events they trigger from the SDK and API, right in the event user log. Why is this useful? Say you're testing a custom event like add to cart. With the event log, you won't just see that it happened, but you'll see details like the product name, size, and category. Quick tip, logs only start once the group is created, so get it set up early to capture the full picture. This level of insight is a game changer for debugging events, verifying properties, and personalizing campaigns. Whether you're testing content, confirming email delivery, or debugging user actions, internal groups and Braze are your behind the scene heroes. Use content test groups, seed groups, and user events to test smarter, launch confidently, and avoid any last minute surprises. Thanks for watching. For more Braze tips, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and visit us at covalentmarketing.com.